This is Peyton, a teenager who is anything but ordinary. While most teenagers are glued to their mobile devices, Peyton is learning the arts of car restoration from her father, Chad, an Army veteran with a head full of knowledge and a passion for classic cars. From an early age, Peyton's been getting schooled on the value of hard work, dedication, and the power of self-reliance, as well as why you shouldn't take life too seriously.
You can see that.
And the work, well, it speaks for itself. And there's only one philosophy in the speed shop. It doesn't matter how young or how old you are. Anybody can pick up a wrench and turn dreams into reality. Welcome to Honest Peyton Speed Shop.
One of these days, Clyde, I'm just going to sell you. Fix yourself. All right, we're going to try right now. Hopefully the key's in it. Other than that, I don't know where it is. Hey, key's in it. Cool. Oh, right in the head. You gonna start? Started, that's cool. Should we try it again? All right, so it's too far advanced. So I'm gonna bring her down a peg here. Header's ticking. All right, try it again. All right, we'll shut her down before it gets too spicy. It's spicy in here, almost. So anyway, what we're gonna do, turn on the ceiling with the exhaust fan. We'll let it rip for just a minute because it's gonna get hot in here fast with that on because it sucks the garage door in and it's 90 outside. Whoa, hey! See that? Hey? Sucks the garage door in. What's over here? Yeah, man. One of the best things I ever got was that exhaust fan. Spicy. Whew. Hold on a minute. Can you think of one good reason why I shouldn't try it again? Besides the spicy? Nope, cool. Let's try it one more time. And then we're done with it. Really, I promise, this time. Here we go. sure this time. Too spicy. To help combat the spicy, we open the window just a little bit. Put some dust in there. Spicy. All right, so that seemed to be okay. I'm not going to tighten down that distributor just yet because, of course, I'll mess with it a little bit more. I mean, not mess with it. I will try to start it a little bit more. I'm not going to mess with the distributor anymore. We'll see if that helps. Class Car Revival said to just move it just little bits to see if it'll start to come back around, and looks like it did. You know, for what it. Clyde, I guess, right? We should probably get out of the garage before we get woozy. Well, it's a little less spicy. Not extremely, but better. Anyway, no, I don't feel like when I get woozy and, you know. Anyway, we still got our good old frame here. We got Clyde running. I mean, it started up pretty good, I think. And then, you know, I already unhooked the battery because now unhooked it, you know, whatever. Yeah, I unhooked it, sort of. Okay, open the window a little bit more. Let some of the spice get out of here. You know. Oh, you guys can see. Over there, right there. So, anyway. We'll keep this video short and sweet. We have Clyde. You know we have Clyde because he's right there. Miss Bonnie's up front. I don't know why it's up front because this garage is actually in front of that one. In the attached one, we have our frame. No idea what we're gonna do yet. Too many variables, you know. Anyway, we're gonna keep this one short. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed Clyde running a little bit there, and keep on wrenching.